I'm a laser operator here in Australia. This is my first time to see a 20 kilowatt tube laser machine. It's a Hongniu Laser machine and have automatic loading and automatic unloading. And I think this machine is very powerful. Using by air, can cut thick one like 10 mil. We tried already the square tube cutting. It's 9 mil using by air. The cutting is good, high power, and good machine. I think this one machine is good for production and heavy production job. Yeah, it's my first time to see this big machine.
Okay, bro. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much.